Assalamualaikum guys, this is Soha Beg. I'm the marketing executive here at Dev Singh and I'm back with another session for you guys. We wanted to talk about branding and building iconic brands, and I thought, okay, what better way it is for me to bring on somebody that is very experienced in the field and has done something that is very notable. So Huma, before I give any sort of introduction, I would want you to kind of like walk us through who you are, what you've done and your journey so far.
That is one of the most difficult questions to be asked. मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या करती हूँ? Because it's strange when people ask me that I miss out one thing or the other, and then बाद में मुझे आता है, हाँ मैं ये भी करती हूँ. Okay, so I've been in the advertising marketing world for almost 15 years.
Yes.
I worked for Pepsi, Lay's, and BBDO for almost half a decade, which is where I won multitude of awards. After that, I started my own company that goes by the name of Contentry. And while I was doing that, I launched a couple of verticals for Food Panda. I launched Pakistan's first matrimonial app, a couple of fintechs, and a lot of Oppo, Infinix, Huawei's, and all of that TVCs, right? During that time, I also started winning awards as well. And also in last year, I ended up going to Cannes Lions C8B8, which is, for those who don't know what Cannes Lions is, like the Oscars of advertising, basically. And they have a female acceleration program. So they shortlist female creative leaders from around the world. So I was one of the 16 shortlisted women who went to Cannes Lions, all paid for, had a blast, met industry leaders, networked like crazy, and have a network of CB links that we call that because it's called CB. So we call ourselves CB links that are there for me for whatever it is. So apart from that, I'm a mother of two beautiful daughters. That's my biggest accolade. And I teach at BNU and I've taught at NCA. Won multitude awards, 300 plus. I'm probably missing out on something. Yes, I'm a social media activist. I talk about my mental health. I'm an advocate for mental health. Am I missing something?
You're probably the only Pakistani woman that has that award.
Which one?
The Cannes one?
I have 18 awards from there. Yes.
Okay.
But makes me the most awarded female creative director in Pakistan. But I was awarded the highest ranking creative of Pakistan in 2020 by Campaign Brief Asia. So yes, a lot of those things I am missing something out. I'm sure I am, but yeah. But yeah, I think that sort of gives it a good.
It gives a lot actually. It gives a lot. So you started out like you have like 15 years of experience in the industry, and I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot from launching your own thing and then being recognized by international basically awards. It's something, and we've seen very less of it in Pakistan. And as a creative director, how would you say okay, things were back 15 years back, like when you actually started, and how have they evolved, especially after like social media has boomed?
Yeah.
What were the challenges back then, and what are the challenges right now, especially as being a woman also in a leadership role?
Yeah.
Would you say it was different?
Okay, so I think at that time there were not a lot of female leaders. So जितनी थी, मुझे जो मिली थी वो अच्छी थी. They did encourage you, they listened to your ideas, and there was a lot of scope of being experimental. I feel as you would hope that as time has gone by,
Exactly.
brand executives or marketing peeps are more like, we want some killer idea. But I get beats like, we don't want no killer ideas. I'm like, okay, take your brief, go somewhere else because I go for out like
Experimenting.
yeah, like I if you want a typical one, there are millions of agencies I can recommend you to. But if you're coming to me, you're not going to get that cookie cutter idea. You are going to get something else. And that's why most of the times the clients are also not happy because I'm not a yes man person. अगर आप मुझे कह रहे हैं कि pandemic में हमें ना let's show a college scene. This is the time when we're forcing people to wear, like a mask. So why don't we show a college scene where like a couple of kids are having food? And I'm like, अब मैं CEO को क्या बोलूँ? Because इतना top का बंदा, but there's also like a good breed of people as well. Because when I pointed it out, okay, listen, that's my brand side for you. Because in the time of pandemic, you're going to be putting out a TVC with showing young kids eating burger when kids don't even know when they'll be going to college. So do we want to put that? And he was like, my bad, I didn't see this coming, but you're right, we shouldn't do that. So you do have those kind of people. But then you also have those kind of people who are like, ये बहुत out there है, like, you know, थोड़ा सा इसको इस तरह नहीं कर सकते, ये उस तरह नहीं कर सकते. So as I've gone into a more senior role, I feel it's more difficult, even as a woman, when you go into a senior role, is because I can't ask the same money that a guy can ask for.
Okay.
There's always going to be a question, is she worth it?
Exactly.
Do I not? And sometimes I'm like, but मेरे पास इतने awards हैं जो किसी और मर्द के पास नहीं है, you know, like I don't want to. Sometimes I just walk out of the meetings because I'm like no, you know, I don't want to justify my worth to you because why should I? Like you can go through all my track record of winning awards, and not just awards, but you know, giving successful numbers जो marketing heads को चाहिए होता है कि यार इतना percentage increase आया है sales में, या इतने percentage downloads आए हैं. So I have that track record. So anyone who comes to me, I'm like, भाई कुछ difference आई है तो ही मैं काम करूँगी, or you pay me a lot, then I'll do the cookie cutter thing, you know. So it comes with a price, yeah.
So you talked about, you've obviously worked on so many campaigns, right? And then again, sometimes client beats are like not encouraging experiment and going all on. What would you say, and especially since a lot of our viewers are people that are starting up with something, they have their starters, would have like little brands and everything, and while running a campaign, you need to have a strong sense of what you're actually selling.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure you've helped brands with that. You've helped them create that narrative. What do you think is the number one mistake these brands make while they're designing a campaign, or what you personally feel like, what bugs you out? कि ये नहीं exactly होना चाहिए था. What is the thing that would be like?
Yeah, so you know, whenever a brand gets me on board, I do not उनको मैं ये नहीं कहती मुझे ज़्यादा बेहतर पता है. I know better about one aspect of advertising and marketing, but you are in the business, so of course you have the detail and the research and everything. Like I remember जब हम लोगों ने इसकी दिल का रिश्ता app launch की थी, which was the first matrimonial app. So I went with full that Gen Z वाला कि हम इनको target करेंगे और ये करेंगे. And Omar Saif was there, and he gave me the research details. Like, Omar, please take a read and then come to me with the strategy. So I went like, okay, I'll just go. Obviously, it's just numbers, and with numbers, creators go zero. So I just went through the data, and it turns out that as much as we want to be progressive about this, that यार बच्चों को अपने हाथ में होना चाहिए कि who they're marrying and everything. The reality of that matter was that when you get married or I got married, the family has to get involved. हम घर छोड़ के भाग के शादी नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं होता है. Hardly आपने कोई सुना होगा कि couple eloped or something, right? So that just defeated my strategy of just focusing on Gen Z, or they should be able to marry. So then I was like, so I listened to the brand as well. Okay, they know something as well. So it's not just, then I have to understand them. I have to understand what they're trying to sell and then work with them. And when we launched it, at that time they had a target K within 10 days they should get 300K signups. But मुझे हफ्ते में उन्होंने बुला लिया था ना उसे. हो गया मतलब कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई है क्योंकि it was a very difficult campaign to launch. Having parents trust an app to find rishtas for your kids was a huge challenge. ठीक है, and it wasn't, तो मैं तो target करी थी for you, right?
Yeah.
But the brand head is saying कि इनको नहीं target करना, parents को भी करना. I'm like, मैं आप में मसला ये था कि generational gap कैसे bridge करूँ पाकिस्तान का. But we cracked an entire an idea and insight with my entire team. और जब हमने launch कर दिया तो मुझे हफ्ते बाद बुलाया और मैं गई हूँ, मैंने की बेइज्जती हुई. I was like, चलो कुछ सीख लिया, like failure से भी you learn a lot. But he said, he showed me the chart. He's like, you see, मैंने कहा ऊपर जा रहे. मैं number ही नहीं देखा, मैंने कहा ऊपर जा रहा है. So he's like, we've gotten 1 million signups in 7 days, and our target was 300K signups in 10 days. So congratulations. I was like, मुझे पता था होगा. Like, like fake it till you make it. Yeah. So I was like, of course this was gonna happen. Like, I've given you all the things, like congratulations, and like the big boss is really happy with you and everything. So and I love working with startups, by the way.
Okay.
You know why? Because they don't have वो fixated कि हमारी brand guidelines में नहीं याद आना. My first client was Oran, which was a fintech company. And we had not come up to them with an ad. We gave them a 3-minute long content,
Okay.
which they said, okay, let's do it.
Okay.
It costed nothing. We had Tamkeenat as a brand ambassador. और वो आधे घंटे में मैंने उसके साथ शूट किया, हमने लगाया है, and basically they wanted to break into the committee groups of WhatsApp कि आप कमेटी को हमारी ऐप पे ले आओ. Again challenging because they're targeting your mother and my mother जिनका Facebook interface change हो जाता है, so वो अजीब हो जाती है. But we made that content, it was so good that वो मेरी सास की भी कमेटी ग्रुप में फॉरवर्ड हो गया था. It became the WhatsApp forwards.
Yeah.
And I think that's the basis of knowing that you've gone viral. So I love working with startups because they let you be crazy and creative, and startups should be, because you have so much white noise going on कि उसमें कुछ different ही करोगे तो खड़े होगे, वरना you're going to become part of the white noise. And what the big with MNCs is that कि वो brand guidelines है, हमारी brand values में नहीं आता, brand ethos में नहीं आता. Very mindful
With your branding, yeah, you have to be very strict.
Yes, and that's not the point. You look at all international campaigns that stand out are the ones who have the balls to go for it. Okay, we're going to do this. Like CeraVe का जो moisturizer commercial था, Michael Cera को use किया हुआ था. You think that went on the brand guidelines because it's a moisturizing cream.
Exactly.
But they went for it, right? And now it's winning massive awards और एक recall attached है उसमें.
Yeah.
So the briefs का यहाँ पे यही है कि when you come with a fixated mindset, then you are not challenging me enough, and then you shouldn't hire a creative because you already know what you want.
Exactly.
Hire a production house, get it.
Just like nerd.
Yeah, skip the creative process. But if you want someone to really crack your idea, to hit that nerve, which the creatives are famous for, like that's what our strategy is, कि हम target market की नस पकड़ के ना yank करते हैं कि इधर आओ, right? So if you don't want that, then don't hire creatives. Yeah.
Okay. So as we've established, as creatives, we kind of like have to experiment and just go out there. And especially since you quoted Sarah Wiki example as well. But also we are in Pakistan, right?
Yeah.
And like we have our restrictions on what we produce and what goes on the TV and what does not. And there would be times where you would have like such a good idea, but it does not necessarily follow the guidelines of even like जो आपकी rules होते हैं for TV and everything. How do you deal with that? So you would have a really good idea,
Yeah.
and you would want to execute it, but then you would have to kind of like look for the ethical part as well.
Yeah.
Saying that you would push or something that's not
Yeah.
ethical, but
Yeah.
there's a very blurred line in Pakistan as well, right?
Yeah.
So what are the challenges that you have to face? You could also quote some campaigns you worked on.
So, a friend of mine launched a sanitary napkin which showed period blood for the first time in Pakistan national TV, which got banned by PEMRA. And again, it didn't make sense because you are showing dramas जिसमें एक बंदा अपनी बीवी को थप्पड़ मारा जा रहा है या सास जुल्म कर रही है and everything, and that violence is acceptable, or showing blown up bits of people in a bomb attack is acceptable, but showing a period blood on national TV is not, and it wasn't even actual blood, it was a CGI that was made by him. And that was the case study when something like this happens, we get really excited as creators. Because we know we've hit the nail on the head. So when he came to me and he was like, I was like, oh my God, this is like amazing. Like you got banned by PEMRA. It was like amazing, right? Yeah, like you've done something, like you were talking about trolling, right?
Yeah.
You've hit the nail on the head when you start getting
Would
trolled.
trigger somebody? Like you've got
Just by being yourself. I get a high because I've been told all over the world when I got viral in 2016 for being the girl who honeymooned alone.
oh yeah.
So so उस time पे I got trolled by the world, and I didn't read the comments because I ended up getting a free honeymoon by Intercontinental Hotel Group. So I went to Rome, Paris, Lisbon, and Spain. So I was like, chalo maro mainu ki. So when you talk about unethical things now, we know our guidelines. I'm not going to show a girl in bikini
Yeah.
and for a 7-Up commercial or something, but I would also not be showing a girl in burqa for a 7-Up commercial. Like, that's not their brand ethos. But the thing over there is कि when you get constricted and you have those restrictions, that's when the creativity actually comes out. Like a lot of brands have minimal budget, right? And they think कि कुछ अच्छा निकल ही नहीं सकता, उसी से तो अच्छा निकलता है. I've had brands come with such bad budgets, but because they had so little budget, I was like, मैं यही करूँगी. हो जाएगा, मैंने कि मैं अपने पैसे डालूंगी लेकिन मैं ये करूँगी. And it has given them impact. Like minimum budget say ज़्यादा impactful campaign निकलते because the client is like कम पैसों में काम तो हो रहा है ना आपका. So when it comes to unethical
Yeah.
and keeping the Pakistan's
Society.
and overall landscape, yes, we are careful because we don't want ke जैसे Moz, when it got launched, it got fafa. Like they couldn't advertise for a year or two, I guess. Now they've come back. Because वही बात है कि जेंजी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं, 11 लाख लड़के हो, तुम अभी अकेली हो. So it doesn't match with our cultural values, right? So there is cultural sensitivity. I come from a very progressive but a very traditional family as well. So मेरे ऊपर तो अभी तक बात उठती है कि sleeveless. And I कुछ, although my husband doesn't say anything, my father-in-law doesn't, my mother-in-law, no one in my laws. But कहीं ना कहीं मुझे सुनगुन आती है कि इसमें, I'm like, बोल,
There's noise there.
there's noise there.
That exists.
Yeah, so I'm pretty well aware that this campaign is out there.
Yeah.
Like I've done campaigns on breast cancer prevention. I'm talking about boobs, for God's sake. But the way we did it so tastefully, it was never looked as gay. Wahyat. Like it never did. I've worked on a lot of campaigns for women, and it has touched very sensitive topics. But that's where my creativity and strategy comes in, कि आप उसको craft ही ऐसे करो कि वो sentiments भी ना hurt करे, but it hits the nerve.
So I do want to get into the question of creative director का role किस तरह evolve हुआ है, but before that, since the conversation is around criticism and as marketeers, I think we have this certain persona of being very different from the rest of the company.
Yeah.
Wherever we are existing, you are the people that maybe are too expressive or we don't fit what normally people would associate with having a job. Yeah, creative marketers की बड़ी एक different job होती है, or what people say. So as a woman, especially in this industry, but then also being in a leadership role and being recognized for her work, it must be great, but also it must be very challenging, right? Especially I am just starting out and I have had my fair share of challenges. And then I'm pretty sure so many people look up to you as well, your students and other people that follow you. What advice would you give to those women? And also like what kind of challenges you faced and then how did you overcome that? Because then it must be very different for a man and then a woman. Obviously. Very
Or-
obvious.
Thank you for saying that. A lot of times I've also questioned myself, am I playing the Aurat card? And then I'm like, hell yes, I'm playing the Aurat card because that is the case scenario. And I'll give you examples to show you what, like these are real life examples where I've turned to my husband, I've said, that's patriarchy. And he's been like, mind blown. Oh shit, yes, that is patriarchy, right? Like when I was a junior, हम मजे कर रहे थे, which you are at the starting point of your career, right? You can have fun, you can learn more, you can interact more, you can make mistakes. And when you start getting in a senior role, there are more eyes on you. Because एक तो पैसे भी ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं, तेरे एक role भी heavy है, and you have to manage a team as well. But I don't think that's difficult as the courage that you have to show. Because in a leadership role, there will come times where you will have to do either the right thing or the politically correct thing. Okay? And I've been thrown in this situation numerous times for the outspoken person and the feminist that I am. And every time, Allah ka shukar hai, itni courage hai कि yeah, I've been naturally like that I've gone with my therapist through my childhood as well to figure out that very early on, I would take a stand for, say, for example, my mother or even my sister, to like elders of our family. So it was always inbuilt in me that I cannot allow zyati around me. So, right? So when I got in a leadership role, वो एक point आता था कि मुझे पैसा मिलेगा या मैं ये करूँ. And very naturally, without even realizing, it would come to ke, that's not right. I'm not going to stand by that. I'm sorry. Recently, I was working with a Creative International, and she is someone that I looked up to because she did a lot of campaigns. And uska pata chala, she confided in me because we built a bond as female creators working in our respective countries and everything. And, she told me one day, she called me, she said, I'm so sorry. We were working on ideas, but they have sort of targeted me as a woman and they're letting me go, but they can't fire me because I haven't done anything wrong. So they've asked me to resign. But having said that, like with you, I can pass on your ideas to the ECD and you'll get paid and you'll be able to launch your campaign. And my campaign getting launched in international waters is obviously my target, right? So usne bola, she's like, I'm really sorry, but I'll do this for you. I looked at her, I was like, that's no brainer. Why would I want to work for a company that's not willing to respect their women? And while I'm doing a campaign for women, for them to win awards. And she just looked at me because I didn't even know this girl was following me. And she's like from abroad.
Yeah.
And she's like, so you are the same on social media, like as you are. Do you follow me? She's like, of course I do. I love your kids and all. And then I was like, matlab, who fakes this? Like, and she's like, no, this was the moment you could have been like, okay, it was nice meeting you and do connect me with the ECD.
Yes.
Yeah, and obviously I was like, you know what? Screw that.
Yeah.
We're going to work on this together and make it a huge campaign on our own. So we're working on that. So as a female, as a leader, you will get those opportunities
Yeah.
with where you could do the right thing or then fall into the corporate trap. Because I've seen women go into that ke politically correct hona ki I'm sorry, I can't help you. You have to understand my position. Nothing against them. Obviously उनकी priorities उस time पे मेरे पास privilege है ना
Exactly.
कि मैंने उसको बोला कि बाहर में जाइए इतने लाख रुपए. I'm going to work with you and we're going to make more money off this, or we'll make that impact happen. And then they will regret that they fired you. So मेरा वो target था. But उस time पे मेरी boss का कुछ और priorities थी कि she couldn't afford to lose the job or something,
Yeah.
right? So उस time पे when she took that, thank you, I'm sorry, I can't do this much for you, it bit her in the ass as well later on, because corporate doesn't care. It doesn't discriminate. It does discriminate, but it doesn't discriminate कि भैया you took a stand for us, you stood by us, we're going to, no, they don't. So as a leader, I feel ये कोई भी कर लेगा. You grow up, you get a team under you right now.
Yeah.
It'll take you time, but you'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Managing and all of that. But the most difficult task as a leader would be doing the right thing or doing what's expected of you to do the right thing, right?
Yeah.
And that's where your character's strength comes out,
Yeah. Of course.
you know?
And then also like maybe how attached you are to your own personal values as well. Because again, as you said, you did the right thing. So
Yeah.
there's a politically right and then there's a right thing. But to do something that is close to your heart and you find it right, it takes guts. It takes, and also like especially as women, we're supposed to be very
Mindful, very demure.
but then when we take like radical steps, it's something that's looked down upon. Acha.
एक मैं बात बताऊं, I've seen a lot of women, and I've been one of those who cry about this a lot. When is the change going to happen? When is the change? It starts with you.
Exactly.
If you're not going to grab the change by the balls and make it happen, it's not going to happen. If I'm in a leadership role and if I cannot make that change happen, my daughter might step into this because she अभी से वो कहती है मैं 300 से ज़्यादा awards लूँगी आपसे, right? So, and I no pressure on her, but she just has that, right? So if I'm not going to bring that change, and मेरी टीम में जो लड़की मुझसे इंस्पायर होएगी नहीं, वो नहीं देखेगी कि यार एक इतनी अच्छी बंदी भी हो सकती है और वो इतने लीडरशिप रोल में भी आ सकती है. So tomorrow she's going to be the boss and she might be my daughter's boss. At least she'll have that in mind. The kindness goes on, like you have to understand कि हम रो नहीं सकते.
Exactly.
हम ये हमेशा बार बार आदमियों को नहीं कर सकते because they will play us. They have been playing us for all these years, right? But कहीं ना कहीं तो यूनाइट होना है ना, हमेशा तो नहीं रोते रहेंगे. एंड अगर आप एक जगह स्टैंड नहीं लोगे तो दूसरी जगह नहीं लोगे, तीसरी जगह तो लो.
Exactly.
To bring about that change, so you at least feel good at night, you sleep better. You may not have the dollars in your account,
But you stood with the right thing.
Yes.
That gives you a good night's.
yeah, and like that's I've since becoming a mother, a lot of parents get asked this question. Oh, what do you want your daughter to be when she grows up? Blah blah blah. Is she going to be a singer? Is she going to be she's going to be a blogger because and all of that. And I'd be like, I just want her to be a good human. That's my target. क्योंकि मैंने इतने बुरे लोग देख कि मैं ये भी achieve कर लूँ ना, this is an accolade that I'm going to put on my resume, raised a good, kind human,
Yeah. Exactly. I mean, if you are tired of the cycle, and it sucks to be in this cycle at the first place, like we weren't born a different way. So many of the women that are in the corporate have, come there through a merit. They went through the same interview procedures, but to kind of like experience less of what men experience is unfair. But again, as you said, just for example, you get a leadership role, then you start making the change. You start becoming that example, so people follow. And I have, as you also put it, you've had amazing examples, and I've also had so many amazing examples. And I'm just like, I want to be that woman. I want to get this impact rather than just having the power. And then I'm like, I will show you what oppression is.
To add to your thing, na, ke, a lot of people, like I was telling you about the examples, right?
Exactly.
A lot of people are like, oh, ye aurat ka play kar rahe hai, ya itna bura nahi hai. I've had encounters of women who have reached out to me, जिनको HR interview में directly पूछा जा रहा है, when are you planning to get married? That's illegal. But HR ko, what have they studied in their life if they're asking you that? Then they ask if you're married, when you plan on having a baby. And I remember this girl was a badass, just say ये सवाल पूछा था. And eventually what happened was this girl just blankly told him, that's a question not even my husband has asked.
Yeah.
नहीं हम वैसे gauge कर. So how many times have men been asked कि आपकी शादी कब होगी या आपने कब बच्चे करने हैं, ये नहीं पूछते. So why are women, and I've had like a long live session with my friend as well, who's an HR region head, and I asked her कि यार फिर क्या करना चाहिए लड़कियों को. तो उसने कहा कि seriously बोले आपके, there's a 3 months probation.
Yeah.
You can see how I operate during that time. I can see if our values match, and then we can part ways. Like that's what the probation period is for. Rather than आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि भाई, are you like planning to get pregnant? Are you planning to get married? In fact, I had one girl who said कि इंटरव्यू कुछ ऐसा चला गया था, आपकी ज़ात कौन सी है और आपके अब्बू क्या करते हैं. By the time she stepped out, the guy had already messaged her कि my mother wants to meet your mother to send a proposal. तो वो HR इंटरव्यू कम और वो एक रिश्ता प्रोसेस ज़्यादा औरत. So these are some very distinct things that have happened, a man in an interview versus a woman in an interview. Then there was this one instant where I just looked at my husband and see, so there's a very senior marketing person in Lahore who recently got divorced and was talking to his wife and everything. We found out that he was a drug addict.
Okay.
And not just simple drug addict, heroin, meth, everything. That guy has paranoia because of taking so much drug, mental health issues. Regardless of these so many red flags and abusive husband affairs, that guy is director marketing at one of the top companies right now.
Okay, interesting.
He's doing consultancies at 3 different firms.
Yes.
I turned at my husband and was like, that's patriarchy.
Yeah.
A woman with so many awards, with 2 kids and a good family background, will not be offered that room, that position, that thing. However, a guy who's a drug addict and abusive is probably not in his senses when he's making business decisions. You're willing to pay him and ask him.
We wouldn't even pass the screening, like when they're like opting for series and stuff. Like she has too much going on for her. Like just pass.
हाँ. For me. So ये तो हाल मतलब ये and let me tell you, it's not just Pakistan. Patriarchy is quite universal.
Yeah, exactly. ये भी है एक, so Pakistan में I've seen so many women even suffering, by even in the States. And it's just, it comes with just being a woman. Like that's it.
Yeah.
Just being born as a woman, that's something that you would have to face.
And when people say, oh, it's a handful, of course it's a handful.
Of course.
Like someone who's मेरे साथ, अगर I'm being versus some guy, the guy walks out of his house and doesn't give a shit what his kids are going to eat, what's going to happen at home, will the cook come, what food is being cooked. Meanwhile, when I have to go, I have to tell my nanny everything and manage it कि अच्छा बच्चे नानी के पास जाएंगे, दादी के पास जाएंगे और अच्छा इनका स्कूल का टाइम ये होगा, ये कार्ड रहा, ये सब कुछ रहा. And I know as someone who's hiring it would be like, oh, she has a lot on her mind. But you also have to understand, despite having a lot on her mind, she is doing a damn good job.
Exactly.
As the same as that guy. So if only you gave her a bit more support, she could take your company to a high level. But of course, broke her.
Of course. Acha, having talked about a lot of challenges and of course being a woman in a leadership role, let's talk about also some sort of changes that again comes with a lot of experience that you have had. Okay, as a creative director now, how would you say the role has evolved over time? Okay, and also like I would also want you to touch on so as a strategy wala part भी कि how different do you also think? So these are two questions.
Okay.
एक ये कि how the role of a creative director has evolved over time, and then secondly you have worked with so many brands and so many campaigns, but since this is a tech company and we also are working on the marketing side as well, so if you have worked with these companies as well, how would you say because the strategies even differ? So we talk a lot about marketing, but I don't find that it's a one-stop solution for everybody.
Yeah.
Different marketing tactics use होती हैं, strategies होते हैं on different brands.
Yeah.
So how do you see it? कि कितना different है with FMCGs and then this tech side?
Yeah, of course, it's massively different because आपकी target market ही change हो गई है ना. So with software tech houses, your target market is the Gora living abroad.
Exactly.
Or it's
Clients.
business to business.
Yeah.
And then you have your sales team as well who's working on this. So it's not just the marketing कि हम Pepsi में जिस तरह बस बोतल बेच रही है तो बोतल ही बेच दिया आपने, right?
Services, humans.
Yeah, so do you have to just, how do you market that?
Exactly.
Is a challenge, and especially to a Gora market because, I have worked, I've done
Yeah.
consultancies in tech companies as well. And it's such a confusing brief because it's like, we're based in Pakistan, but we don't want to show we're in Pakistan. You're like, okay, what do you want me to do? Like, I can't conjure. Like, you have to have an honest business model. For me to, मतलब मैं इश्तिहार बना सकती हूँ. I can be इश्तिहारी about you. But when you do, look, अगर लेस का black salt आया था, whatever their ad was, the chips taste was good. तभी मैंने cartons खरीदे थे. So if I sell you and if I make a marketing strategy for you that can give you 5 clients and your business model is not honest and people don't recommend you and leave bad reviews on your good work or all those spaces, right, where your company is like uploaded, then मेरी marketing से मैं कितना ही बेच लूँगी भाई. मतलब these things matter कि word of mouth होता है. Most of the clients that I get are by my ex clients. बोला कि यार इसके पास चले जाओ, इसने हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छा काम किया था. It was a lot of fun. It's a lot of Instagram connections and networking that I get those because I've done a lot of work with other people who were like, let's get more. So strategy obviously matters, business to business, but we have to work together as bank custodians कि exactly हम बोलना क्या चाहते हैं. If we're trying to sell certain software developers or we're sending कि भाई हमारे पास ये abilities हैं, who exactly are we targeting and how do we get to that point? What are the avenues that work for you, वैसी, conventionally? And my thing would be कि, okay, what's the unconventional way to hit them? That be it. And your second question was about creative role.
Evolving of the creative director roles.
मेरा जो है ना, one of the reasons why I even got into CAD was कि एक question का answer ऐसा था that my mentors were laughing because it said, what's your role in your company?
Okay.
So I wrote, sometimes I'm a tea boy. You are, आप गाड़ी में kitchen में बैठे हुए चाय बना रहे होते कि भाई client आया है देख लो. And then sometimes I'm a accountant.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm a tax person, sometimes I'm a legal person, contract with craft कर रहे होते. Sometimes, I'm a business director, sometimes I'm a client servicing person, sometimes I'm a graphic designer as well. Like I was telling you guys, I was a social media manager as well. So when you have your own firm, you have to put on a lot of hats, right? But as a role, जो creative director का in agency format, in a corporate format, is that you get the briefs, you have to devise the team to make it work, and your job is to manage that, to realize कि भाई किसके अंदर क्या potential है, उनसे काम कैसे निकालना, मुझे ये timeline meet करनी है, right? वो तो बेसिक टास्क है. फिर देन आपके अंदर एक कीड़ा होता है जो हर क्रिएटिव के अंदर होता है, हर मार्केटिंग के अंदर होता है. वो कीड़ा फिर आप you take care of that by pitching different ideas or think of award-winning stuff or thinking of different ways to create social impact, which just gives you the life basically. But abhi recently what's happening is I've seen a lot of creators starting their own spaces. So उन्होंने online बनाया हुआ है, design studios, strategy studios and all of that. And it makes me really happy because I did this 4 years ago. And I've come across kids and people my age who were like, hey, yaar, tum sahi time pe nikal gayi. Because, we think about this, ke ab kaise karein, because inflation and everything, but you left at the right time. and you started something and you build a strong portfolio. Even if you don't have work right now, we still have you as a like this is this not just a role model, but she did it, so I can do it too. And वो यही था कि because I couldn't find myself comfortable in a corporate space
Yeah.
that matched my values,
Yeah.
where if I take a stand for a girl who's getting probably
Yeah.
unfairly fired, I would want the corporate to stand by me कि you're right, you're right, rather than वो ये कहेंगे आप भी और आप भी निकल जाए. ये तो हमारा culture था. So I decided कि okay, screw that, I'll just
Make your own. Yeah.
I started my own thing. And वो यही है कि if you can't make space for me, I'll make space for myself. And now we're both competing.
Wow.
So yeah.
Yeah, that's really great actually. Since we talked about so many things about your experience and your awards and everything, I think it's time we wrap it up. But I would want to kind of like wrap it up with, on this question, okay, since you also be just talked about having your own firm, doing all of this, and now you're not even just a creative director, you're like, everything, and you're working on every role basically. And so many people, I'm pretty sure, are inspired by you. You also are a very vocal voice on social media as well, not only about your work but also your values. And I'm pretty sure there are so many people that want to be like you, right? So what advice would you give to the aspiring creators, the aspiring people that just love arts and the culture it brings and the expression it lets you have? What would you advise them?
Stick to your guns. Stick to your guns, because you'll come across places like hey, hi शायद मैं नहीं बोलती तो I would have gotten that, because money is a motivating factor.
Of course.
एक तो stick to your guns and be honest to your passion. There होता है कभी बेकाऊ चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन then be compensated for that. Like I've done ads that I wasn't too proud of, and eventually I stopped doing them because it wasn't helping me with my, like it wasn't feeding my creative soul.
Yeah.
And it wasn't even like filling my bank account as well. So then one night I was just thinking, मैं ये भी कर क्यों रही हूँ? Like why am I doing this to myself? So I just called my partner. I was like, oh, screw that, I'm not doing it anymore. So you need someone to do it with someone, because you're literally telling me what to do. And I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Like what's the point of having me when you're not utilizing me? So like I broke that partnership, and I was like, you know what, screw, I don't want to work on something that I'm not going to be happy with. So ek to stick to your guns, be ethical, be more kind towards your juniors and to your fellow creatives. You have to unite. कहीं ना कहीं हर कोई मैं करता रहेगा तो इस मुल्क का हालात देखिए हम लोगों ने. But if you come together कि एक दूसरे को ही support कर, then I've gotten a lot of support from industry. Like big clients have been recommended to me by ex-bosses and everything. So that's a kindness that I've also experienced. I have that privilege. That's why I pass on that kindness too. So if you're a young creative and you're also marketing executive, stick to your guns, be yourself, never apologize for being yourself.
Yeah.
And if some company doesn't want you, it's their loss.
Wow.
It's their loss, because you will show it to them.
Exactly.
And they will regret it. Or maybe they won't, but who the hell cares? You moved on, you learned a lesson, right?
Yeah. I think that wraps up our session for today. Huma, you were amazing. Thank you for giving us your time.
You were amazing.
That's just girl talk.
Yeah, no, of
course, thank you for sharing your wisdom, your experience, and all the great things you've done, and so many women that you make proud on the daily basis. So thank you for what you're doing, and thank you for giving us your time. And for everybody that joined, inshallah, I will join you guys for next session, for next guest and a new topic. Till then, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Allah Hafiz.